Digitalisation is of course a global trend, but also a challenge and an enabler for transport systems. Well, enabling of course to handle the problems or the need for new technologies, we need for the big challenges, which is a reduction of CO2 emission, of course, and of course, which is also to keep our industry in a healthy and prosperous situation. Well, I think of course there are quite a lot of substantial technical solutions necessary, but there is also a change necessary in our society and in our cultural behavior. On a local level, local emission level of CO2, I think we are on a pretty good way, having quite some technologies developed and already on the market. For example, electromobility, which is providing the possibility to have zero emission on a local level. On a global level, I think the story is much more complicated and complex, but there for sure it is necessary to focus on energy consumption and energy resources, and for the resources to focus on technologies to provide sustainable energy resources. As a European research technology organization, AIT is focusing in his research on infrastructure topics and of course energy distribution, transport systems are a focus topic of our organization. So we are focusing for the transport system, of course, on vehicle technology, production technology for these vehicles, lightweight design. We are focusing on the powertrain, electrification on the powertrain, including battery cell development and battery cell production. We are dealing with a group on infrastructure technology, as well as sensors, automation and control. We are deeply involved in the whole energy management system with our research, and of course with a very important topic, which is data security. Digitalisation is a major game changer of our society. This is also true for our transport systems, changing the whole cycle of the transport system, starting in the production technology, where digitalization is changing the whole way of how our vehicles are built, but of course also for the individual service and technology provided in the vehicles and on a local level and of course on a global level by the transport system.